name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to share 6 tips on how to correctly apply foundation for a natural finish, so let's get into it. Foundation offers coverage to help provide an even and flawless finish which will last all day long. And you have the option to create a dewy or matte look, which will also act beautifully as a base for your concealer, highlighter, blush and more. While foundation helps cover imperfections, it also often provides sunscreen and many moisturizing benefits for a long-term protection for your skin. Still, many people are struggling with the application of foundation. Now let's dive into the 6 tips on how to apply foundation correctly for a natural finish. Tip number 1, test your perfect foundation shade. The most important step is choosing the right foundation shade that will help you to create a natural and even look. That's not without saying that finding the right shade isn't stressful. It is. Test different colors, swatches on your chin and neckline to determine which one will blend the best with your skin tone. Tip number 2, apply moisturizer for more hydration. If you're looking to keep your skin hydrated, it's crucial to apply a good moisturizer before putting on foundation. Moisturizer will not only help you create a beautiful finish, but it also will assist you in applying the foundation and protecting your skin from other makeup products and environmental pollutions. Tip number 3, select the right foundation finish for your skin type. You have 2 different finishes to choose from, matte or dewy. But what's the difference? Matte foundation is great for normal to oily skin, and dewy is ideal for those with dry to normal skin. While both of these foundations will help provide a healthy glow, it's important to select the finish that will work the best for your skin type. Tip number 4, choose where to apply your foundation. Contrary to popular belief, it's actually advised to use less foundation. Regardless of how much you apply, it will still help even out your skin tone to have a natural appearance. However, by using less, your skin won't appear cakey or dull. In fact, once you select the right foundation shade and finish, you'll notice where you need more or less product. You can even apply it just on the areas where you need additional coverage for a seamless look. Tip number 5, blending foundation with a brush. Have you ever struggled to apply foundation with a brush? While this is common, it depends on the brush quality and technique. However, it's not about purchasing the most expensive brush you can find, it's more about the bristle quality and how it feels on your skin. If it feels scratchy, you most likely need to find a new brush. If you decide to use a brush, use a synthetic foundation brush for liquid cream products to achieve the best results. Alternatively, real hair brushes are good for any powder applications. In terms of technique, most people tend to drag the foundation all over their face, which causes uneven lines. To properly apply foundation with a brush, use circular motions to avoid putting a lot of pressure onto the tool. If you keep your hand relaxed and use those motions, you won't see any uneven blend. It's important to note that this technique doesn't always come easy. You may need to practice a few times to get the hang of it. After all, makeup is trial and error. Tip number 6, blending foundation with a makeup sponge. If you're unsure about using a brush, a makeup sponge is a great alternative. To start, dampen the sponge with water so it's softer and squeeze out any excess liquid so the sponge remains damp. With the sponge, you can apply the foundation to the back of your hand, mixing palette, or directly onto your face. All you're doing with the sponge is gently dabbing it into your skin to create an even finish. While it may seem strange at first, continue practice this dabbing motion so it becomes second nature. Once this application process is mastered, using a sponge speeds up the entire application process and ensures you build a flawless blend. Now with these tips in mind, you now know how you can apply foundation correctly for a natural finish. Of course, when it comes to the shades and how you can match it to your own skin tone, it will take time and practice so that you will see what actually matches with your skin tone. And then once you find the right skin tone, then you just don't want to switch it to something else, because it will just look very natural on your face and you can work it in as much as you want. And also to those areas where you feel the need. Now, if you want to move on to the next step, when it comes to eyes, then I've also created a very simple and easy tutorial for you guys, and this is how you can apply single eyeshadow, which also makes your eyes stand out. Now, if you like this video and if you enjoyed this video, then also don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!